everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video we're going to talk about Lingo airdrop again, but with Interact campaign, guys. So ngayon ko lang siya nakita and few hours left na lang siya as of today, guys. Kailangan gawin na natin at kailangan gawin yun na din once na ma-post ko to within this day, guys. So I'll make it sure na ma-post ko siya within this day para makahabol kayo, kasi sayang din naman. So matatapos na yung kanilang campaign sa Interact, nakakatapos lang yung campaign nila with Trust Wallet, na collaborated giveaway nila with Trust Wallet, guys. Kaya huwag kayo mag-skip, stay tuned until the end of this video para wala kayo ma-miss na important details. Kaya before we jump into it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. So si Lingo, di ba meron siya ongoing airdrop na you need to do the tasks like follows, Discord, and sa mga pinapafollow nila, guys. And yun nga, nagkaroon sila ng collaborative giveaway with Trust Wallet. And now mayroon din sila dito sa Interact. Kaya kailangan gawin niyo siya, guys. So isa rin si Interact na nagbibigay ng katulad ni Galax campaign. Ayan. So parang ganun din si Interact, guys. So same with mga tasks lang din, guys. Follow, join sa kanilang Discord, follow yung Interact page, something like that. So it's very easy. Parang parehas sila ni Galax campaign. Okay, sayang din naman siya, diba? So kung manalo kayo, o isa kayo sa manalo sa Trust Wallet at plus dito, diba? It's a win-win situation, diba? So at least the more the merrier, guys. So pero dito, you need to click again, even though na naka-follow na kayo sa mga X account or sa other social media nila, you need to do it again kasi hindi siya lalabas yung verification na button na kailangan i-click. So, di pa pala tayo nakapag follow sa kailang Discord. Wait. Oh, I think different email yung aking ginawa sa aking Lingo. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to do this one, guys. So, diba nagkawa na natin ito sa first video. I think different account yun, guys. So, ito kasi yung parang yun yung nakakalito kasi dito kapag marami kayong account, diba? So, anyway, so kapag hindi nyo pa nagawa o hindi pa kayo nakapagawa ng Lingo, lalagay ko lang siya sa description box down below yung link. At in the end of this video, lalagay ko yung video tutorial ng Lingo kung paano ko siya ginawa. Pwede pa kayo makahabol, guys. So hanggat di pa siya nakakapag PGE or di pa siya nakapag snapshot, pwede pa kayong humabol, guys. Okay? So now, here, ayun, nakafollow na natin yung Interact. Kasi Interact ko, nandito sa email na to. So, yun yung magiging problem ko. So, I need to magiging self-referral. So, I hope hindi ako masibil for this one. So, let's pray for that. Kasi, syempre, uso na ngayon yung sibil, the bots, and anything. So, ayan. So, parang ang mangyayari dyan, so, wala nga akong account here. So, upon checking, nasa other account ko. So, I'll try na mag-mobile data for this one later on. And, gagawa ko ng panibagong account. Okay. So, iba rin yung wallet address ko na nakasync in kasi wala rito yung Trust Wallet. So, I remember. So, I forgot. I'm really sorry na ibang Interact na accounting na gamit ko, guys. So, ayan. Kung nagawa nyo na siya, may Lingo na kayo, so hindi nyo pa nagawa si Interact, ang maglalabas sa Discord is yung katulad sa, na nakafollow pa rin kayo. You need to open it lang talaga for this one. And then, kung ano yung nakalagay nga address dito, yun yung And then, ayan. Sabi dito, you have won the reward. So, ito is for the airdrop lang nila, guys. Okay? So, nandito is 100,000 tokens, additional 50 lucky winners. So, ayan. So, for the 50 pre-sale. So, yun yung possible na panalo niya. So, 12 hours left na lang. So, 1:15 PM here in the Philippines. So, you have time. So, gawin nyo na kagad. So, until next time, goodbye!